Hello everyone. Hi. The main focus of this video is to create a simple network in the Mininet environment. Also to test out some basic commands. To create a network, you use the sudo mn command. So this helps us to create a network with two hosts and a single switch. Which is automatically being connected to the SDN controller, which is inbuilt in the application. So to know the details of the networks, you can use the nodes command. It gives us the nodes of the network, and the links in the networks can be viewed using the links command. So to know the ports of the ports used in the network, you can use the ports command. To know the interfaces in the network, you use the intfs command. So it gives us the interfaces of the nodes which is being used. So these are like separate commands to know the details of the network. All these commands can be viewed all at once using the dump command. So it gives you the node details along with the interfaces, the IP address and the port being used. So these are the commands which gives us the details of the networks. To know the connectivity between the host and the networks, we basically use ping commands. So ping or command is the most common command. So it helps us to know whether a single host can reach all the other hosts in the network. So it basically tests the reachability of the host. So ping all full gives us a detailed report of the same. So it gives us the RTT round trip time values in detail. So if you want to manually test two hosts using ping command, use the host 1 ping host 2. So here we only have two hosts, so we use the h1 and h2. Any host numbers can be given. So this command runs like an infinite loop. So you can stop it using the control C. If you want to specify the number of times the packets are being pinged, you can use the host 1 ping host 2 minus C, the number of times you want them to ping up. So if you give here I have given 2, so it sends the packet twice and gives me the report. So these are the basic commands to know the connectivity between the networks. So there are many basic commands available in this application, which will be discussed on the further videos. So it is very important to exit the network properly using the exit command, so that the traces of the networks are being completely erased. Thank you.